Hello everybody and welcome back to A Plus Y Spanish Way. Today we are going to learn how to form simple sentences in Spanish. So if you don't know anything about Spanish, this video is for you. And if you kind of know Spanish, this video is also for you, because I'm sure you will learn something new about pronunciation, vocabulary, or whatever. So, as always, if you are ready, let's go!
If you wanna learn Spanish and you wanna grow, A plus Y is the way to go. Come and learn a new language, don't be afraid. A plus Y, the Spanish way. If you wanna learn Spanish and you wanna grow, A plus Y is the way to go. Come and learn a new language, don't be afraid. A plus Y, the Spanish way. 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 Bro, don't be afraid. A plus Y, the Spanish way. A plus Y, the Spanish way. A plus Y, the Spanish way. Come and learn with us.
Okay guys, the first thing you have to know, you have to learn are the pronouns, okay? I, you, he, she, it, we, they in English. Let's see in Spanish, okay? I, yo, repeat with me. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, ustedes, ellos. Okay, I, yo, you, tú, he, él, she, ella, it, we omit this pronoun. In Spanish, we omit the pronoun it, we, nosotros, you all or you guys, ustedes or vosotros, okay? Ustedes or vosotros. If your Spanish is focused in Spain, it's better if you say vosotros. But if your Spanish is focused in Latin, you know, Latino, Español Latino, they commonly use the word ustedes. But you can say ustedes, because in Spain we also say ustedes in a formal way. So vosotros or ustedes both are correct. And they, ellos, okay? Okay guys, now we are going to learn some adjectives and we are going to practice making some affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. I think this is the best way to practice. So let's see some adjectives. For example, amazing, asombroso, beautiful, bonito or bonita, fat, gordo, ugly, feo, bad, malo, good, bueno, sad, triste, okay? And some colors, black, negro, white, blanco, red, rojo, okay? I think it's enough. Now we are going to form affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences with these adjectives and pronouns. So let's see. For example, Yo. I am good. Yo soy buena. Buena in this case, buena because feminine. I'm a woman. Remember, buena, feminine, bueno, masculine. Okay, that girl is good. Esa chica es buena. That boy is good. Ese chico es bueno. Okay? Now, I'm good. Yo soy buena. I'm not good. Yo no soy buena. Yo soy buena? Question. Am I good? So, yo soy buena. Yo no soy buena. Yo soy buena? Question. For example, that cat, gato, okay? Cat, it's a noun, gato. That cat is black. Ese gato es negro. Negative, ese gato no es negro. Interrogative, ese gato es negro? Question. So, ese gato es negro. That cat is black. Ese gato no es negro. That cat is not black. ¿Es ese gato negro o ese gato es negro? Is that cat black? Okay. She is amazing. She is amazing. Ella es asombrosa. She is not amazing. Ella no es asombrosa. Ella es asombrosa? Question. Is she amazing? Okay. Fat. For example, they are fat. Ellos son gordos. They are not fat. Ellos no son gordos. Are they fat? ¿Son ellos gordos? Question. My house is big. Mi casa es grande. Big, grande. My house, mi casa, okay? House, casa. Affirmative, mi casa es grande. Affirmative, mi casa es grande. My house is big. Mi casa no es grande. My house is not big. ¿Es mi casa grande? Question. Is my house big? ¿Es mi casa grande? Okay. My dog is white. For example, mi perro es blanco. My dog is not white. Mi perro no es blanco. Is my dog white? ¿Es mi perro blanco? Question. For example, if you want to answer this question, is my dog white? ¿Es mi perro blanco? My dog is not white. He is black. Mi perro no es blanco. Es negro. Okay. My house is not big. It's small. It's small. Mi casa no es grande. Es pequeña. Okay. Okay, guys. As you can see, we are using the verb ser. The verb ser. Mi casa es. My house is. My dog is. She is. Is the verb is.
Come on. Is the verb is.
So, ser o estar. Ser, estar in Spanish, the verb to be in English. So, if you want to know, if you want to learn how and when to use these verbs, ser and estar, you have to watch this video. Here, we are explaining how and when you have to use these verbs, so you will learn how to use them if you watch this video. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you like it, let me know in comments and subscribe. If you don't like it, let me know in comments too. And tell me why, because I want to improve and your opinion is important for me. So if you like it, it's cool. If you don't like it, it's cool. So don't be afraid and let me know. Okay guys, don't forget, if you like it, subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Have a good day and thank you for watching.